In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GIMP to add transparency to an image and create a circular cutout with just a few steps. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with image editing, this guide will help you enhance your editing skills. Let's get started, shall we? First, we're going to begin by opening GIMP on your computer. If you don't have GIMP installed, it's a free and powerful image editing program available for multiple platforms, so you can easily download it from their official website. Once you have GIMP open, load the image that you wish to work on. You can do this by dragging the image into the GIMP window or going to File and choosing Open from the menu to navigate through your folders. Once your image is open, the next step involves working with layers. Now, layers in GIMP allow you to manage different elements of your image separately, which is incredibly useful for intricate edits. We need to add an alpha channel to your image, which essentially allows for transparency in any parts of your image that you wish to be see-through. All you need to do is navigate to the top menu, click on Layer, hover over Transparency, and then select Add Alpha Channel. If the option is grayed out, don't worry. It just means your image already has an alpha channel, and you can proceed to the next step. Next, to create the circular shape, we'll be using the Ellipse Selection tool. This tool allows you to select portions of your image in a circular or elliptical shape, which is perfect for our purpose today. Head over to the Tools menu, find Selection Tools, and then click on Ellipse Select. Now click and drag on your image to form a circle. Don't worry if you don't get it perfectly on the first try. You can click and drag the edges of the selection to adjust it as needed. You've made your circular selection. Great! With your selection in place, it's time to invert it. Inverting the selection will allow us to remove everything outside the circle, keeping only the circular area visible. Click on the Select menu at the top and choose Invert. Or alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl+I on your keyboard for a shortcut. Once inverted, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action will clear out everything except the circle you've selected, leaving behind a beautifully transparent background. And there you have it, a perfect circular cutout with a transparent background. It's a simple yet effective technique that can be applied to various projects, be it for profile pictures, logos, or other creative designs. Don't forget to save your work by going to File and Export As to select your preferred format. Transparency works best with file types like PNG. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy editing with GIMP!